Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your Samsung Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2 and you want to go ahead and connect it to your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, you want to make sure that your TV is able to be powered on. And you also want to make sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 is connected to the outlet as well. The next thing that you want to do is that right over here, this cable here, this right here is an HDMI cable that runs from the Nintendo Switch 2 all the way to the back of my TV. So that HDMI cable, you want to make sure it's connected to your Samsung Smart TV and also connected to your Nintendo Switch 2. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to make sure that you power on your Nintendo Switch 2. Then next, grab your remote control and make sure you're on the correct input setting. So what I mean by that is you want to grab your remote control, press left, and go to where it says source. So there it says source. And you want to make sure that you select HDMI or whatever your Nintendo Switch 2 is connected to. So as you can see, it's now connected. My Nintendo Switch 2 is connected to my Samsung Smart TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how do you connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.